Welcome to ST Academy. Today we are going to discuss the strategies to crack JEE Mains 2021. Impact of 30% reduction on NEET and JEE 2021. As we know that CBSE has reduced its syllabus by 30%, we will see the brief description of 30% syllabus in this video. Let us discuss about JEE Mains 2021 syllabus, exam pattern and books which are required to get maximum marks in JEE Mains 2021. To never miss our updates, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us put some light on JEE Mains exam pattern 2021. Here we are going to show you some main features of JEE Mains 2021 exam pattern here. As we know that JEE Mains 2021 exam will be conducted online. Candidates are allowed 3 hours duration to complete the test. The paper consists of MCQ type and NVT type. NVT means that is numerical value type. Correct answer awarded 4 marks. Incorrect answer incur a negative of 1 marks, as we all know about this. Let us see the subjects and the number of questions. Total marks for each subject. We know that in JEE Mains we have 3 subjects. The first one is mathematics. The number of questions for mathematics is 25. The total marks for maths is 100. Physics number of questions is 25. Total marks is 100. Chemistry, the total number of questions is 25. Total marks is 100. Overall, the number of questions of JEE Mains paper, including these 3 subjects, is 75 questions. That is multiplied with 4. We know that one question carries 4 marks and negative marks for incorrect answer. The total marks for JEE Mains 2021 is 300. Let us put some light on the important subject of JEE Mains 2021, that is mathematics. Let us see the unit and the topic. The first unit is sets, relation and functions. The second one is complex number and quadratic equation. Third one is matrices and determinant. Fourth is permutation and combination. Fifth is mathematical induction. Sixth is binomial theorem and its application. Seventh one is sequence and series. Eighth is limits, continuity and differentiability. Ninth one is integral calculus. 10th is differential equation. 11th is coordinate geometry. 12th is 3D geometry. 13th is vector algebra. 14th is statistics and probability. 15th is trigonometry. 16th is mathematical reasoning. These are the very important chapter for JEE Mains 2021. Practice all NCERT exercises of this all topics and at the same time practice NCERT exam planner. Let us put some light on the subject physics. In physics, we have class 11th and class 12th. Let us see the syllabus of class 11th and class 12th. The first chapter from class 11th is physical world. The second chapter is units of measurement. The third one is kinematics. Fourth is laws of motion. Fifth is work, energy and power. Sixth is behavior of perfect gas and kinetic theory. Seventh is motion of system of particles and rigid body. Eighth is properties of bulk matter. Ninth is oscillations and wave. Let us see the syllabus from class 12th. The 10th one is current electricity. 11th is electrostatics. 12th is optics. 13th is electromagnetic waves. 14th is atoms and nuclei. 15th is magnetic effect of current and magnetism. 16th is electromagnetic induction and alternating current. 17 is dual nature of matter and radiation. 18 and the last one is electronic devices. For this subject of physics, I recommend you to go for all exercises of NCERT. At the same time, you follow MTG for MCQs. That will be more helpful and beneficial for you. And at the same time, we will also provide you some important question in physics numerical that will also helpful for you. Let us put some light on the subject, that is chemistry. We will see the various chapters of chemistry based on class 11 and class 12. If we see from class 11, the first chapter is some basic concept of chemistry. Second is structure of atom. Third is classification of elements and periodicity in properties. Fourth is chemical bonding and molecular structure. Fifth is states of matter, gases and liquid. Sixth is equilibrium. Seventh is redox reaction. Eighth is hydrocarbons and hydrogens. Ninth is thermodynamics. 10th is environmental chemistry. Let us see some chapters from class 12. The first is the 11th one, solid state. 12th is solution. 13th is chemical kinetics and electrochemistry. 14th is surface chemistry. 15th is SPDA blocks. 16th is polymers and biomolecules. 17th is isolation of elements. 18th is haloalkenes and halorines. 19th is alcohol, phenol and ether, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. 28th and the last one is organic compound containing nitrogen. From this chapter, I suggest you or recommend you to read NCERT textbook each and every line. That will be more beneficial because most of the question in chemistry come from NCERT. So if you are perfect in NCERT textbook, thoroughly perfect in all this chapter, that will fetch you maximum marks. At the same time, focus more on organic chemistry. For organic chemistry, you follow the book of O.P. Tandon, that is more helpful because most of the marks in JEE Mains that come, the question which comes from in JEE Mains, that comes from organic chemistry. So O.P. Tandon books will be more helpful for you to get maximum marks in chemistry. Let us see the important books that are required for JEE Mains 2021. Here we are listing you some books or some suggestive material that are required to fetch you maximum marks in JEE Mains 2021 for various subjects, for mathematics, physics and chemistry. For mathematics, the best book is NCERT textbook class 11th and 12th. At the same time, for MCQs, you can refer R.D. Sharma. For physics, same NCERT class 11th and 12th. For doing more MCQs, you can refer MTG or basic concept of the book written by H.C. Verma. Chemistry, the best book for chemistry is NCERT textbook class 11th and 12th. At the same time, you can refer MTG or O.P. Tandon chemistry books. These are the brief explanation of JEE Mains syllabus, exam pattern and the various books that are required to get maximum marks. In our next video, we will give a brief description of how exam can be attended or the various MCQs, the important MCQs for each and every chapter. For that, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and to never miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified and smash that like button.